How you doing, ladies and gents? This is Sam Carey here. Today we're going to be doing the 9 different ways to edge your lawn.
Real talk. Real talk.
Thank you for choosing my video to watch. Be sure to comment, subscribe, like if you like, but let's get ahead and get started. Today we're going to be using the Stihl FS56 RC. Stihl does make quite a nice engine. Alright, so first one's first, my personal favorite, the horizontal pull. Off grass. This one's number 2, the horizontal push on the grass. Alright, number 3 is the vertical pull off grass. This next one, number 4, is the vertical push on grass. How you doing? I'm doing good. I really like puppy dogs. Even if they're not puppy, they're full grown. Just, you know, small dogs. I like dogs a lot. You want to put a smile on my face. That's all you gotta do is bring a little puppy dog or a small dog around. I love dogs. Number 5 is the horizontal pull on the grass. Number 6 is the vertical pull on grass. Alright, now these other two, number 7 and number 8, I never use. I don't think I've used them maybe but 3 or 4 times. They just make it look bad. They make it look silly when people are doing it. That's the horizontal push off grass. That second one was the vertical push off grass. Now the reason I don't like doing that is because you're walking all over the place. You're walking too many steps. When you're starting here on the corner and you start with horizontal push or horizontal push, and you get to right here, you have to take all these steps to go like that. You gotta take all these steps to go like that. Oh, now we're all the way right here. How many steps are you gonna have to do to take all the way over here? Was that 4?
5.
That was 5 steps. Now instead, if you're doing a on grass vertical or horizontal pull, boom, 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 almost to the inverted. Look at that. How many steps was that? That was no steps.
You took no steps.
No steps. No steps. Do we have the audio recording? Is that still on?
Yes.
A lot of these depend on what's in your way. What's in your way and whether or not you want to F up the stripes. How you doing, officer? We gotta go. We gotta hurry this up. We got one more. It's the bonus. It's the inverted off grass pull. Kind folks in these parts. Let's get on it. 9 ways you can edge your lawn. Thank you for watching. If you feel so inclined to, you can subscribe. I don't know if I'm getting worse or better at this.
Real talk.